Hi everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce you to the Beyond Academics program. This program is a foundational habits and knowledge building program aimed at students at various stages of their lives and careers. Over the next 52 weeks, this program will introduce you to a series of experts who come from different domains of their respective areas of expertise, and they will share their experiences with you. They will talk to you about what are the different habits or paths they followed to be where they are and what are the challenges in their career. This program is also an opportunity for students from various parts of India to come together, share their experiences, form a peer group, and learn from each other. So, by doing all this program is aiming to do a couple of things. Firstly, it is trying to build some foundational habits and behaviors among students, which will help them irrespective of whichever career they choose. And secondly, this program is aimed to expose students to a wide variety of careers which they may not be aware of, and it goes above and beyond the conventional careers that we hear of all the time by listening to the various experts from their domains. And on that note, what this program is not a shortcut to success. This program will teach you how to fish, but it will not fish for you. This program will show you the path, but you still have to go and do the hard yards to actually reach your goals. Personally, I am very excited to be part of this program as a mentor and as one of the people who have been invited to share their experiences. So if all the above excites you, interests you, feel free to click the link below and subscribe to the program. And hopefully we will have an in-person conversation soon. Thank you.